Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. Today's video is going to be on this cute human hair unit that we have on today. So, of course, as usual, I'm going to send you all to the install portion and I will see you guys when that is finished. So like put a hairpin right here just to like jazz this up a bit, but I don't know where my hairpins are. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how we're gonna improvise with this, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna get this started here. So if you know me like outside of like internet, you know one thing that Chastity likes is vintage earrings. Like I love vintage earrings and all that type of stuff. So I'm just gonna take one of my earrings and set it right there, and there we go. It's so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, I did not think I was going to like this wig, but because it has no lace, but this is cute. This is really cute. Yeah, I like it. You look good. Yeah, I like it a lot. Oh my god, I feel like, and this is a dress that I got from Pretty Little Things, and now I feel like I need to go somewhere, but I never have nowhere to go. Never have anywhere to go, so I ain't going nowhere. I hope you enjoyed the install portion. Let's get into all the details and the rundown. So of course I'm reading off of my phone. This is from Aisi hair. This is a short curly human hair wig. It is a glueless black wavy curl with a side part. You can do side part, middle part, whatever you want to do, but the side part is where it's at. This has no lace. This is an 8-inch. It has no lace at all, so that's where I was a little bit skeptical because I ain't got no hair. My hair is about like this short, and my hair is about this long stretched out and this short shrinkage. So we in the shrinkage stage right now, so I was a little bit iffy. And then I do have really thin edges, so no, they're not falling out. My edges are just really thin no matter what I do, no matter what I've used. My edges are just super thin. So yeah, this 8-inch is on Amazon. This is an 8-inch and it's on Amazon for $39.99. I would say that the person on the picture, she obviously is mixed and she has either a leave out or this is her real hair. I think that this is her real hair. How the model looks, I really think that that's just her real hair. This is a really cute curl pattern, so I'm gonna get up close real quick so you guys can really see the curl pattern of it. You guys can see that. It's human hair. I didn't add any water. I didn't add any product. This is it in its natural state. simple. Let's get into some of the details of it. I did not experience any shedding. I have not experienced any tangling. Of course, you know, curly units tangle a little bit, but you know, this is a human hair, so you can just detangle it versus it tangling and then you not being able to do anything with it. So they also have Dom on here, even though this is obviously not the wig that she's wearing, but it's all good. So it's definitely, I would definitely, oh wait, okay, so here we go. This is showing how it looks on the actual mannequin. So this is more realistic than what we see. So that's definitely more realistic right there. That's the front, that's the side, and that's the back. And then that's just another model that they're showing with it on. This is 100% human hair, which makes it even better. Let's get into some details of it. It is, the cap size is a 22 all the way around, 22 and a half. I did adjust the straps on there because it was a little big, so I don't think that's a medium cap. I think it's maybe a large cap, but excuse me, but I did adjust the straps just to give it a little bit more you know, leeway. The only thing that I don't like about the back is there isn't any a comb back there, because I usually hook the comb underneath the adjustable straps just to give it a little bit more security, but it does not have that. But that's okay because it comes down pretty far and it's snug down there, so it's not like super loose down there, so that's always a plus. It has, of course, all wigs, I think all wigs sometimes have a smell to them. This has a smell to it. It's not like the most pleasant smell. So off camera I do have hair perfume. I sprayed a little, I moisturized a little bit my hair perfume in there. They do have hair perfume, just to let you guys know. Like you could wet it just to give it a little bit more definition as far as the curls. I did not wet it. I definitely do want to try a few things with this unit though. I'm sorry y'all, I'm looking in my mirror because I look really cute today, even though it's 2 in the morning. But I did go in and I didn't do anything actually. I just ran my hands through it and just like shaped it up a little bit. Nothing too drastic or dramatic, just something super simple. It is really lightweight. It is cute. I really like it a lot. I like it more than what I thought I was. And taking out the package, I was just like, ooh, like this is not, but it's really cute. I really like it. It's really, really cute. It's definitely a throw on and go about your day. You can throw this on, put a baseball cap on and go about your day and call it a day. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit right here. It's really cute, really bouncy. It's giving me natural hair, black girl vibes, you know, even though like a lot of our hair texture isn't like this, it's still good. Like it's giving me like Afrocentric vibes and I like it. No, just kidding. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for this video. Short, simple, to the point video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video 2 thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you all in the next one.